Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel BioInsight Lectures. This is the part 2 of our series on important multiple choice questions covering the fungi, general characters, affinities with the plants and animals, its classification and its economic importance. Let's start. As we know that in the previous lecture we cover 10 multiple choice question. Which fungi is used in the production of bread and alcoholic beverages? Option A penicillin, option B Saccharomyces, option C Rhizopus and option D Aspergillus. So the correct answer of this question is Saccharomyces. As we know that Saccharomyces is a unicellular fungi. It includes many species of the yeast, also known as sugar fungi. The diagram shown in this picture is represent the Saccharomyces, also known as baker yeast and used in the production of making bread and other wheat-based products. Question number 12. Penicillium is important to the human because it produce. Option A है आपका it produced alcohol. Option B है it produced antibiotics. Option C it produced bread or option D it produced yogurt. So the correct answer of this question is penicillium is important to human beings because it produced antibiotic and the name of antibiotics is penicillin. This is a picture of penicillium. Also it infect bread as well as it infect citrus fruits like orange. Question number 13. Mycorrhizal fungi are beneficial to the plants because they option A produced antibiotics, option B enhance the nutrient absorption, option C cause disease and option D produce toxins. So the right answer of this question is option B enhance nutrient absorption. As we know that fungi make a symbiotic association with the roots of higher plants and that association permit the plants to obtain additional nutrients and moisture. This association particularly important in uptake of phosphorus, which is a major nutrient required by the plant. And also when mycorrhizal association is present, plants are less susceptible to the water stress. Question number 14. What is the name of special hyphal tip through which parasite fungi absorb nutrients directly from the cytoplasm of the living host? उस स्पेशल फंगल हाइफी का नाम क्या है जिससे जो पैरासिटिक फंजाई होती हैं वो न्यूट्रिशंस अब्जॉर्ब करती हैं अपने होस्ट से? आपके ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए होस्टोरिया, ऑप्शन बी मिल्ड्यू, ऑप्शन सी कंस्ट्रक्टिंग रिंग्स एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ द अबव. So the right answer of this question is option A hostoria. It is a structure by which the fungi penetrate into the host tissue and withdraw nutrients from the host, and main nutrients absorbed or withdraw by the fungi by this hostoria structure are sugars and amino acids. Next, question number 15. Which of the following fungi is used in the biotechnology for the production of enzymes and organic acids? इनमें से कौन सी फंजाई है जो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में यूज होती है एंजाइम्स और ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स के प्रोडक्शन के लिए? ऑप्शन ए है सैक्रोमाइसिस, ऑप्शन बी है एस्परजिलस, ऑप्शन सी है राइजोपस एंड ऑप्शन डी है एगेरिकस. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज एस्परजिलस. This is a picture of Aspergillus. Aspergillus has a great importance in the industrial products. It is extensively used in the production of citric acid, also production in the several enzymes like amylase, pectinase and protease. Next, question number 16. Which of the following disease caused by the Phytophthora infestans? इनमें से कौन सी डिजीज है जो फाइटोप्थोरा इन्फेस्टेंस ये एक फंजाई है जिससे होती है? ऑप्शन ए है पाउडरी मिल्ड्यू, ऑप्शन बी है डाउनी मिल्ड्यू, ऑप्शन सी है लेट ब्लाइट ऑफ पोटैटो एंड ऑप्शन डी है रस्ट ऑफ व्हीट. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी लेट ब्लाइट ऑफ पोटैटो. इन दिस पिक्चर द मेन सिम्टम्स ऑफ द फाइटोप्थोरा इन्फेस्टेंस ऑन द पोटैटो plant leaf are shown and a greasy texture is appear in the early phase of this disease. Later the leaf are completely turn black and cause a heavy loss on the potato tubers. Question number 17. Phytophthora species are primarily classified as option A Basidiomycetes, option B Ascomycetes, option C Oomycetes and option D Deuteromycetes. So The right answer of this question is option C, Oomycetes. The genus Phytophthora belong to the class Oomycetes. Oomycetes is a group of fungus that initiate the plant disease through the production of a motile spore. Next, question number 18. Asexual reproduction structure of Phytophthora is called option A, conidium, option B, sporangium, option C, zygospore, and option D, ascospore. So the right answer of this question is option B, sporangium. And the structure of sporangium are shown in this picture. These structure are sporangia produced by the Phytophthora. Sporangia release short-lived one-cell filament zoospore that can swim through the thin film of water on the leaf surface or in the water-filled spots and can accumulate in the puddles and ponds. Question number 19. Phytophthora mode of nutrition is option A, saprophytic, option B, parasitic, option C, autotrophic, and option D, symbiotic. So the right answer of this question is option B, parasitic. This fungal cause disease in the many plants. First, it attack on the living cell and it absorbs nutrition from the living host tissue, and after that it kill the host tissue. So technically we can say that it is a form of biotrope. Next is the question number 20. What is the type and sexual reproductive structure of Phytophthora? Option A, type is isogamous and sexual reproductive structure are spores. ऑप्शन बी है आपका टाइप oogamous एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर आर एस्कोस्पोर. ऑप्शन सी है टाइप oogamous एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर्स आर oogonia एंड एंथ्रिडिया. एंड ऑप्शन डी इज टाइप इज isogamous and sexual reproductive structures are zygospore. So the right answer of this question is option C, type is oogamous and sexual reproductive structures are oogonia and antheridia. Next, question number 21. Mucor is commonly found in option A, marine environment, option B, freshwater habitats, option C, soil and decaying organic matter, and option D is leaf litter. This is the picture of mucor actually. So the right answer of this question is option C, soil and decaying organic matter. As we know that mucor is a saprophytic fungi and found in the soil and decaying organic matter. So the right answer is C, option C. Next, question number 22. The characteristics asexual structures in the mucor is. म्यूकर में हमें इनमें से कौन सी एक यूनिक एसेक्सुअल स्ट्रक्चर है वो देखने को मिलती है. ऑप्शन ए है कोनिडियोफोर, ऑप्शन बी है स्पोरेंजियम, ऑप्शन सी है बेसिडियम एंड ऑप्शन डी है एस्कोकार्प. तो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी स्पोरेंजियम. हमें म्यूकर में जो एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं वो स्पोरेंजियम के रूप में हमें देखने को मिलती हैं, जैसे कि आपको इस पिक्चर में दिखाया गया है. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, म्यूकर की हाइफी हैं एंड दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर. ग्लोबुलर स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज स्पोरेंजियम. इट कंटेन large number of spore and these spore when liberate from this structure they produced new fungal structure. Next, question number 23. Mucor reproduced sexually through the formations of option A, ascospore, option B, basidiospore, option C, zygospore and option D, कोनिडियोस्पोर. तो म्यूकर के अंदर जब सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होता है तो यहाँ पर हमें कौन सी स्ट्रक्चर है वो देखने को मिलती है. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी, जाइगोस्पोर. दिस इज द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ म्यूकर एज शोन इन दिस पिक्चर. द म्यूकर हैव टू डिफरेंट स्टेन ऑफ हाइफी. One is positive strain and another is a negative strain. And when these two different strain hyphae made together, they form a structure known as zygosporangium. So this is the zygosporangium. So zygosporangium are formed by the fusion of different strains hyphae. And when these zygosporangium mature, it undergo meiosis and produced again large number of haploid spores. Next, question number 24. The hyphae of mucor are. जो म्यूकर होता है उसकी जो हाइफी होती हैं वो कैसी होती हैं? ऑप्शन ए है सेप्टिक होती हैं, ऑप्शन बी है नॉन सेप्टिक होती हैं, ऑप्शन सी है सिनोसिटिक होती हैं, ऑप्शन डी है बोथ बी एंड सी। सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन डी, बोथ बी एंड सी। हमें म्यूकर की जो हाइफी होती हैं उनमें सेप्टा नहीं होता है, तो वो नॉन सेप्टिक होती हैं। एंड सिनोसिटी का मतलब होता है ए स्ट्रक्चर कंटेन लार्ज नंबर ऑफ फ्री न्यूक्लियाई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस पार्ट 2 सीरीज। पेनिसिलियम इज बेस्ट नोन फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑप्शन ए अल्कोहल, ऑप्शन बी एंटीबायोटिक्स, ऑप्शन सी citric acids, and option D bread. So the right answer of this question is option B antibiotics. This picture representing the structure of penicillium, and penicillium belong to the division Ascomycota, and this fungi known for production of antibiotics name as penicillin. Thank you for watching. Hope you find these questions helpful in your exam. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Good luck with your exam. I will see you in the next part of this video. Thank you.